have the Samsung Galaxy S24 and I'll be showing you how to show notification contents on the lock screen. I'm using the S24 Ultra for this tutorial, but this works on all the Galaxy S24s. So if you want to be able to see the contents of notifications right from the lock screen, then simply go to Settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to Notifications, tap on that. Under Notifications, tap on Lock Screen Notifications. And then of course you need to have lock screen notifications enabled. And then more importantly, you want to select Show Content. And that's going to be showing the contents of your notifications on the lock screen. So for instance, if you go to the lock screen like this, you can tap on that and you can see all the contents of your notifications without even unlocking the phone. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.